Here we are at part 2. The circle drive that I put in will take us to a future path. Very nice rock path that, everything is going to be years of fixing and doing and getting it ready, like the black skirting that will go around the bottom of the whole house. Things like that are going to take some time, but that's the fun of it. So we have our entryway into it. It has a little mini patio that is nearly worthless. It's so tiny. It might be a mudroom in the future, because I will have a deck that not only connects the sell me spot. There'll be a winter deck that connects the two. It will come around this direction, and a deck will continue all the way along this side to those stairs, and this will be a covered deck for the summer that will have an outdoor kitchen. So got to get sell me spot moved before we can start talking about the deck. Then let's go on in to our dining area, kitchen, gas stove, a little bit of a mess, to the living room, which will have a wood burning stove, but that will not be it. That one's too big. Need one smaller. Then we have our nice seating area, so plenty of guests can all sit around and watch the too huge of TV. We have our little bit of cooling if it's not too hot. Takes us to the fridge. Pretty bare, but the essentials: mustard and beer. And yeah, we need more things. More things coming. Good selection of ice pops, though. Yay. Just to load. We can do washing and drying. We got that just put in the dryer today, so we're set to go there. Ice machine. One of my absolute musts that I must have is an ice machine. So yummy. That takes us to a dark room. You can't see nothing. Let's turn a light on. You can see the window coverings. Yay. Oh, I did not make the bed. Because why? I'm by myself. Okay. Bed partially made. All right, I have a pillow problem. I have to admit it right now. I cannot find a pillow I love, so I just keep buying them. They keep stacking up. They're over in the corner. They're everywhere you can find them. This is we're preparing, so there's a lot of bottles here. This is preparation stuff. This is prepper. You know, when you're in trouble, you got to make your own alcohol. You got to make your different things. You got to cook in a pot that's big enough to put a whole pig in. And then we got the master with the shower closet that is full of cabinets that I have that I'm going to make something with. I'm going to do something to make it to hold more stuff. Now we'll have part 3.